Start with a square of area 1. Divide it vertically into 3 equal columns. Each of these represents exactly 1/3 of the total area. Now divide the middle column horizontally into 3 equal parts, each representing 1/9. Zoom into the remaining empty center and repeat the exact same process. Cut it vertically for 1/27th, then horizontally for 1/81st, and keep plunging into that empty middle square, alternating your cuts and coloring infinitely. When we zoom all the way back out, look at the final pattern. Notice how the orange blocks and the green blocks are perfectly identical, sharing the exact same amount of space. So what is the total area of just the green blocks? It is 1/3 plus 1/9 plus 1/27th, going on forever. Because the green blocks take up exactly half of the fully colored square, this infinite geometric series perfectly equals 1/2. Welcome to Math But How?